What if our solar system had formed here, close to the breathtaking Helix Nebula? Despite its vivid colors, this immense cloud is incredibly diffuse, far emptier than even the best vacuums created on Earth. Yet from our planet, the sky would become something almost unimaginable. A glowing cosmic shell stretching across the darkness, turning every night into a masterpiece. Even from Saturn, the Helix Nebula would dominate the sky. Its delicate filaments would surround the solar system like an enormous celestial cathedral. A reminder that beauty in the universe often exists on scales beyond human comprehension. Now let's leave serenity behind. At the heart of the Crab Nebula lies one of the most extreme objects ever discovered, the Crab Pulsar. A collapsed stellar core only about 12 miles across, spinning nearly 30 times every second. From Earth's surface, each pulse would sweep across the sky with astonishing precision. A relentless cosmic heartbeat, flashing again and again, beneath a sky unlike anything humanity has ever witnessed. For this one, we step into science fiction, inspired by real physics. Gargantua, the iconic black hole from Interstellar, was designed using Einstein's equations to create one of the most scientifically accurate cinematic black holes ever imagined. From Earth, the view would be mesmerizing. Light itself bends around the event horizon, creating a distorted sky where gravity becomes visible. Now, one of the largest stars ever discovered. This is our Sun. And if we replaced it with Stephenson 218, this is what would happen. To keep Earth safely outside this colossal star, we moved our planet to a distance of 400 astronomical units, 400 times farther than Earth's current orbit around the Sun. And even from there, it would still dominate the sky. From Neptune, at roughly 430 astronomical units, the scale remains almost impossible to comprehend. Eta Carinae A is among the most luminous and massive stars known. To reveal its true scale, we placed Earth just 1 astronomical unit away. The exact same distance we orbit the Sun today. The result is overwhelming. Our familiar star becomes a blazing giant, filling the sky with light and size. From Saturn's orbit, about 9.5 astronomical units away, the system reveals another surprise. Eta Carinae is not alone. Its brilliant companion, Eta Carinae b, now shines beside it, creating a sky illuminated by two extraordinary stars. This is Pluto, orbiting this giant. Now, the monster. We saved the best for last. This is Ton 618, one of the largest black holes ever discovered. For this visualization, we've placed Earth between 7 and 8 light-years away. We're ignoring the unimaginable radiation such an environment would produce and focusing only on one question: what would the sky look like? The answer barely feels real. Even from Saturn, the view remains almost incomprehensible. A structure so immense that it reshapes the very meaning of scale. Some places in the universe don't just challenge our imagination, they completely redefine it.